Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find direct deposit form on CIBC app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that matter, I will recommend you guys to go through your browser, because in the app you might not be able to find the option or access the form. So for that, go ahead, open up your browser, type in cibc.com and get into the official website. Now right away, simply go ahead, tap on this 3 horizontal line given on top left corner. Once you have done that, you're going to go to search bar and simply type in direct deposit form and search it up. And you're going to find the first option called set up a direct deposit, and then you're going to scroll down, and then you're simply going to go ahead, scroll on to the bottom till you get these two options, which is desktop and mobile. This is simply showing how you can get this direct with the steps accordingly right over here. And if you simply scroll down again, you will find this option of a sign on for your physical form. You're going to tap on it and then simply go ahead, provide your credential. This is how the interface is gonna pop up, right? Enter your card number, your password, and tap on sign on. Then you will be able to get yourself the direct deposit form. As you can see, set up direct deposit option, and then you're good to go. Simply fill it out, submit it, and then you will be able to set up a direct deposit. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.